Sinabi ko na sa'yo, bata ka pala!
Sorry.
Bakit ka nagsinungaling sa akin?
Kung hindi mo ako mapapatawad pag nalaman niyo.
Sa lahat na pwede mong pasukan, doon pa talaga sa pamilyang yun.
Sila po yung nagbayad ng paggamot niyo. Nay, wala akong choice. Wala akong choice noon. Naalis naman ako doon. Mababayaran ko yung utang. Pagkatapos ko bayaran yung utang, aalis ako agad. Nay!
Huwag mo ko hawak. Huwag mo.
Nay! Nay!
Hindi ko alam kung bakit kinugugulat ko pa to. Typical naman ni Violet yan.
Pero nag-take over siya as CEO. Bakit naman niya ibebenta ang chocolatier?
Easy money, Dichim. Para namang hindi mo kilala ang anak mo.
Baka hindi alam ni Violet ang nangyayari. Alam mo naman ang asawa nun. Puro pagbibilog ng ulo ang alam ng Julian na yan kay Violet. Lily, kausapin mo naman si Violet, please.
Para saan yan, Dichim?
Ay, nako. Para kay Iris. Masama daw ang pakiramdam. Baka may nakain hindi maganda. Gusto mo?
Swerte man ni Iris, inaalagaan mo siya.
We can only take care of so much in our life. Ako na ang bahalang mag-alaga kay Iris. Ikaw na lang please ang mag-alaga kay Violet.
Yun naman ang lagi nating gawain, hindi ba? To take care of everybody.
Nay.
Small, I heard that you just got back from Spain, huh?
Yes, I love Spain and I love the people there.
So is that from Spain too?
Oh no, this one, no. It's from my husband, Philip. You know naman, si Javi's very generous. Ay, Violet, by the way, how's Julian?
He's okay. He's busy with work, but he finds time naman to help me with the chocolatier business.
Speaking of, how do you want me to feature you in my vlog?
Small, padala na lang kita ng products from chocolatier para maibigay mo sa mga guests mo.
Bakit di na lang ikaw ang i-guest ko sa vlog ko?
Huh?
Yeah.
Actually, Small is right, Violet. Mas effective talaga pag CEO mismo ang mag-promote ng brand.
Kayo talaga. I don't think that's a good idea. I mean, I know I'm beautiful and rich, but I'm not famous like Small.
After my vlog, you will be famous. Why don't we do it at your house, like let's do house tour or baking?
Tama.
Sige na, Violet. That is something new for you.
We have nothing to lose, but everything to gain.
Sige na nga.
Hey, let's schedule it na, okay?
Wait, oh my God, I'm late na. I have to do my CEO duties. I have to go back to work. I'm excited with our vlog.
See you soon.
See you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's enjoy our food.
Okay.
Oh, Iris. Inumin mo ito. Makakabuti yan sa sakit ng tiyan mo. Ano ba kasi pinagkakakain mo?
Maybe it's the weird Chinese cuisine you're always forcing me to eat.
Forcing you to eat? Ikaw nga tong ubos ng ubos lahat ng niluluto ko. Besides, that is healthy for you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Wala yun. Tumatanda na ako, Iris. Mas nag-e-enjoy na lang ako gumagawa ng tsaa kesa isipin ko pa ang pag-aaway ni Lily at ni Violet.
So what's the tea?
Alisan Tea from Taiwan.
No, I mean, what's the tea between those two? What's the latest?
Sa isang kumpanya na pinatatakbo ng isang pamilya, hindi maiiwasan ng tampuhan at awayan.
Lalo na kung yung mga relatives mo naghahangad ng power and money. Right?
Alam mo ikaw, may sakit ka na, ang talas-talas pa niyang dila mo.
I'm just being honest, Auntie. When it comes to money, walang family, walang kaibigan. Lalo na sa family to.
At sino naman na nagsabi sa'yo niyan?
From a very reliable source. My mother. Ay, that's why she hates this family.
Magpahinga ka na. Baka kaya ka nagkakaroon ng indigestion dahil kaiisip mo sa mga problema ng pamilya natin.
Hi, Auntie. This is a nice tea anyway. I like it.
You're welcome.
I like this a lot.
I'm doing good, Atsi. In fact, nag-iisip nga ako na kukuha pa ako ng isang investor.
Plano mo mag-expand? Ano naman sabi ng asawa mo?
Julian is a very supportive husband. Kayo, kamusta na kayo ni Redmond? Are you still begging him to help you in the business?
Kakaiba pala magbigay ng suporta ang asawa mo, no? Do you even know na he's selling chocolatier for almost 30 million?
What are you talking about?
So hindi mo nga alam. Violet, mag-iingat ka kay Julian. Baka hindi lang ang chocolatier ang sabotahin niya.
You know what? It's kinda unfair na ginajudge mo na yung asawa ko sa pagsasabotahe sa kumpanya natin. Is it because that from the very start, you hated the man that I married? Atsi, family is my priority, hindi business.
Violet, our family is our business. Legacy to ni Papa. You should know that by now.
Hello? Where are you? I need to see you.